Today I'm going to show you how to make a slug drip. Now you're going to need yeast, sugar, plastic cup, a sim ripper, I explain later, and our measuring cups. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to use these 3 cups here, and we're going to make lots of holes at the bottom of the cup with a sim ripper. If you don't have a sim ripper, you can also use any tools that can make hole at this bottom of the cup. This is how it looks like. Next, we're gonna use oil, and we're gonna use tissue and dab the oil on it, and we're gonna spread it at the top of this plastic cup and on the rim of the plastic cup. The reason is so that the slug will slide easily into the cup while trying to get into the solution of the yeast. Next, this is what we're gonna do with the other plastic cup. We're gonna put the one with the hole at the bottom inside these other 3 plastic cups. There you go.